Yo, my wonderful investors, my wonderful subscribers. Actually, this is Beach. There's a popular place called Beach. If you're familiar with Orlu, this beach. That's the beach is connecting in the back in the days. This is the fastest way to get to Anambra and the fastest way to get to IMO. Back in the days, but because of our bad roads, people don't really follow this road. So Governor Hope Uzodinma is actually working on this road. People don't really believe in the man. What can I say? Well, I feel like he's doing pretty well. When you compare to roads that he has done. I'm not trying to preach for him or whatever. He didn't pay me any money, right? But I'm in the real estate niche, and I know what access road can do to a location. Access road can actually open up a location and make it very, very expensive and make it livable. So with him doing this road, and actually one thing I think that the governors forum is it the governors forum, they have this forum, right? He's doing is in the east is helping the governors to actually work hand in hand to fix things. Because if you're coming from Oka to Ekulobia, the governor Soludo is also doing an amazing job there, trying to connect the roads to the boundary. And if he does that successfully, and if Governor Hope Uzodinma also does this successfully, that means if you want to go to Oka from Orlu, it shouldn't be more than 1 hour 30 minutes, because roads makes journey faster, right? So I think that's governors forum is actually helping join these governors together, and so they have like minds agenda. I'm just saying, I don't, this information is not verified, right? But I'm just saying that's what it really is doing. Because I know Hope Uzodinma is the chairman of the, of the group, right? Of the governors, right? Yeah. So you can see they are really trying, to see if they can, achieve this. And if you know this road, you know that sometime last year, was it last year or last 2 years, there is a big erosion, affecting this road somewhere close to the markets. Erosion really did mess there. So I don't know what they're going to do there, but I'm hoping they can be able to, achieve, something, tangible or something, worthwhile, right? Of course. So while you're watching this, I just want you to leave in the comment section what you think about this road, what you think that is gonna happen, when this road is fully completed. And also, if you're not a subscriber, kindly subscribe right now to see more updates coming your way. If you're looking to see more of Orlu, more of Owerri, precisely, more of Anambra and Enugu, I focus more on these locations because I want my people to invest, back home. Yeah, it's been an amazing journey as I've helped so many families, get their dream homes and, build so many real estate portfolio while I still, make these videos and, because, I love what I do, and I think it's making and it's changing lives every day, because if you're in the diaspora, you get to see what's really happening here, right? It's not about the fake news. This is what is really happening. Okay, so kindly subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. I think I'm getting to the end of the video. Yeah, so let me know what you think. Bye bye.